Hi everybody, Lisa here. I'm working on a 10 by 10 canvas and I've already pre-painted it with some white just to get a bottom layer on that will make the paint move easier. I really don't even know what I'm going to be doing today. I just had something kind of in my mind that I wanted to try. I'm going to take 3 little cups and put different paint into each of the cup, and I'm going to do a series of ribbon pours and then maybe manipulate it, you know, into designs, maybe some swirls. I'm not quite sure yet exactly what I'm going to do, but I'll start filling my cups. All the colors that I'm using will be listed in the video description. I don't know if I've mentioned it or not, but there is no silicone in these paints because I'm not really going for cells in a ribbon pour. Okay, so there are my 3 cups, and I'm just going to randomly pour, no rhyme or reason. Who knows, I might end up doing a balloon smash. I kind of have no plan, really. Even though there's no silicone, I do see some cells coming up. Okay, I'm going to stretch this out a little bit. Definitely have some wild color going on there. Maybe I'll torch it to see what I have. So what I think I'm going to do here is some swirls in the paint and just see what I get. I'll start a little bit tighter this time. In case you haven't noticed, I'm using the back of a paintbrush to do my swirls. Well, I'm liking this so far. Cool, man. See if I have a bigger brush that has a bigger handle on it. Actually really loving this. I'll go back to my little brush. I think I've twirled just about everything I can twirl. And pick up the paint off the sides. The dripped paint, make sure the sides are covered. I think I will leave this alone now because I think I can go a little bit longer and then I would probably ruin it. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd like to thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and don't forget to click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I do put out a video every Monday, so be on the lookout for that. I'll see you next time. Bye.